In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the order ID format for your Shopify store. This is a simple way to organize your orders and make them easier to track and manage. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and head to your store homepage. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select General. This section contains important store preferences including your order settings. Now scroll down until you find the Standards and Formats section. Here you'll see the option related to order IDs and prefixes. Look for the field labeled prefix. This allows you to add custom letters or codes before your order numbers. For example, you could use something like store, USA, or online depending on how you organize your business. Click into the prefix field and enter the format or code you want to use. Choosing a clear and simple prefix can make it much easier to identify orders from different stores, regions, or sales channels. After entering your preferred prefix, scroll down and click Save. Saving is important because your new order ID format will not apply until the changes are confirmed. Once saved, all future orders placed on your store will automatically include the new prefix in their order numbers, helping you keep your orders more organized and professional. And that's it, you've successfully customized your Shopify order ID format. This small adjustment can make order management much smoother, especially as your business continues to grow. Thanks for watching and happy selling.